Holy moly, you guys. We have grass. They did most of the sod today. Let's go down. They did most of the sod today. And I'll show you. I'll start from the north side this time. And then we'll make our way around to the front. Okay. So, well, actually, I can't because I can't step on it. So they laid down sod. The whole backyard area has been done, and they redid the path. They cleaned this up a bit just because it was really messy. There it goes. It stopped there. We're going to determine where it's going to convert from sod to clover. They're probably going to seed the clover tomorrow, all on the side yard there. But we'll figure that out tomorrow. So the big job was really getting all the sod in and just cleaning things up a bit on the path and whatnot. So they also made a little kind of like a little pad area underneath the heat pump just to keep things clean because it drips and all of that stuff. And I'm not gonna plant here, so I'll have to adjust my planting plan a little bit. Not a problem, but just based on past experience, planting anywhere near this kind of thing, it dries out whatever plants are there, drips. There's ice in the winter, dry air in the summer, so I'm just going to avoid this little patch of area here, which is all good, not a problem. So this has been cleaned up, the path, and then let me walk over to the other side. This still has to be done, this flower bed here. That's all good, that'll be done tomorrow. That's the car. There's still some sod just hanging out here, not a problem. We'll finish up that tomorrow. All right, and this is the other side, and they did extend that little maintenance strip along the house, which is awesome, so that's good. And then all the sod. So the bulk of the sod is done. We also have to figure out what we're going to be doing here. They'll be extending the parking pad, probably up until here, I would imagine, up until the line there, of where the sod ends. And we have to figure out what we're going to put on the bank. We don't know if it'll be mulch, if it's going to be... We don't want to put sod because it's very steep and it's going to be impossible to mow. So we'll figure that out. That'll be a tomorrow conversation, I imagine. But oh my goodness, look at this. It looks so green. I'm just glad we're not surrounded by mud anymore. It was such a... it is what it is. We had started at the back and we're working our way forward. That's just a side effect of that. But it's all good. It is all good. It is all worth it. Ah, it looks so clean. And then once they seed clover here, obviously we're going to have to be watering diligently, both the clover seed and all of the sod. And we're prepared for that. We have, everything's lined up. But that's pretty much it. I'm bringing you back so we can admire the grass. And grass is not that it's not my cup of tea, but it's not that it's a useless crop. It's like, it's there. It is what it is, right? But just to get rid of the mud situation, we said, you know what, let's just put grass down. Eventually, will we be planting up? Yes. I know for a fact that this whole side yard is eventually going to be like a path with perennials, and it's going to be a really nice area to walk around in. But for now, phase 2, phase 3. Oh, I also wanted to check the situation with the spigot. If the spigot's there, if it's not there yet. On our little water contraption. No, I don't see it. I do not see it there. Okay, so that's probably going to be on tomorrow's list as well. But it's all good. Grass, you guys. Woohoo! All right. Have a good one.